we were mobile in the Versa.
In the wife's car.
Yeah, to make an insane trade.
Getting rid of the 3-piece wheels that we rebuilt in this video.
Yeah, in the corner.
Trading them for something pretty cool. A running and driving vehicle you're about to see. Getting a daily.
Yeah, daily for wheels. Interesting.
We don't have those out where we are.
Really?
Yeah. They're not going. Is there an aux cord or anything?
No, but I can give you that Bluetooth thing.
Driving it home for the first time. It's got a bit of an exhaust leak, and the steering wheel's got split, but it's good. If you can tell what it is by the fucking dash, there you go. You're about to see it though. Did not get rid of the G. I got this to be more as a daily and not put miles on the G. A little bit bouncy. I got this so I could really start doing the things I want to do to the G without having to worry about it, because I drive that motherfucker every day. But now I can put the miles on this and not have to worry.
It's a 97 Ford Ranger. It's a bit of a piece, but it's nice where it needs to be. Like, it's just gonna be a daily to get around town, not put miles on the car, and kind of needed a truck, just one of the cheap truck, actually haul some shit around, you know. There's some things wrong with it that you'll see us fix, maybe, if you guys want to see content on this. Like the massive hole in the exhaust. Let's show that.
Yeah.
Like, that's kind of funny.
About where the door is where the exhaust is missing.
I didn't see where it was cut. Oh, so there's the front where it's cut. There's where it's supposed to go.
As to why they took that off, I don't know.
Yeah, and it's really loud and not really fun. But underneath isn't that bad. Drives fairly straight, a little bit of play on the steering wheel, but that can be addressed. No vibrations or anything, it's pretty smooth. That's it.
Tyson just poured this like coffee in his motor. We're gonna see what happens. He's flushing the system out as best as he can, and then he's gonna install an oil cooler today. We got the bumper almost off because it's gonna mount underneath the crash bar, right? That's where the oil cooler mounts.
Yeah.
So you're gonna see where that goes in a second. We just can't get this bolt. It'll be easier once it's up in the air. Oil cooler is on with the lines, with the sandwich plate. We just need to tighten up the sandwich plate some more, tighten up one of the lines some more. So we decided to go to the next part where we're wiring up the gauge. And it looks crazy in there because it's all torn apart.
Hooking up the gauge.
Hooking up the gauge, we have the sensor wires coming in, but we just need to get the power wires now. Sensor wires we routed here, goes down to the sandwich plate. They're tied up to this bracket. There was another funny thing about how this mounts up, where this one's just kind of threaded in. We used a magnet on this one to get it through, so it's just a tight fit. But other than that, I think it's gonna work. Other than these need to come up real tight. That'll be the lowest point in the car almost, but that's why it's raised up.
Sandwich plate is on. Tight, just gotta throw the filter on. Tie these lines up and we're good. Oh, I meant to get fucking zip ties while I was there.
I have them.
Okay. Yeah, we just gotta put the lines up, put oil in, put the filter on. We're not wiring it up yet, the gauge, because I don't really have all the shit to do that right now. It won't be going through the cooler yet. We'll have to get
me if you guys find anything.
Well, you feel the tool if you want.
This is the first time he's taking the bumper off. Especially with this camber, it looks crazy. But just a quick look, because it will probably go right back on. Should we do it? Should we do the snap with the bumper going? Driving Tyson's whip right now, testing out the oil change and the make sure it's not gonna have any leaks, you know, driving it. Just gonna head up to the Ford dealership to drop off the Ranger. Alright, let's check it out. It's running right now. We just took it for a little drive. Park it at the graveyard. Let's see.
Well, guess what? Those are wet. It's wet.
No.
Yeah, this one. It's not dripping, but it's wet right